today. This is problems based on, before discussing problems based on electrolysis, I want to give you the key tips. But I previous class 3 points already I have written 4 points probably, but this class I am writing also 7 points. These are also important for short questions. These are also very important for short question. Another one is 8 point. Q equal to NF. Q equal to NF. N is number of electrons involved in the electron reaction. Faraday. F equal to Faraday. Faraday, 1 Faraday equal to, as you know that, 96500 coulomb. 96500 coulomb. What is Q? Quantity of electricity. Quantity of electricity. Quantity of electricity. Here. Next, as you know that, look at this. 1 Faraday means 1 mole of electron. 1 Faraday means 1 mole of electron. As 1 mole of electron is, suppose the charge of 1 electron is how much? The charge on 1 electron is 1.6 electron charge. As you know that previously, 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Charge on 1 mole of electron, 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb into 6.023 into 23, 96500 coulomb. 96500 coulombs on 1 Faraday of charge is consumed to discharge n unit positive charge. Very important point. This point is very important. This point is very important. 96500, 1 Faraday equal to 96500 coulomb, or 96500 coulombs on 1 Faraday of charge is consumed to discharge n unit positive charge. N unit positive charge. 1 Faraday of charge is consumed to discharge n unit positive charge. So it is 1 Faraday of charge is reverse direction. 96500 coulomb, 1 Faraday of charge is consumed to discharge n unit positive charge. 1 Faraday of charge is consumed to discharge n unit positive charge. This point is very important for problem solving. EC, electrochemical equivalent, equal to E by 96500 coulomb. EC electrochemical equivalent, it is Z. So Z equal to, we can say that Z equal to E by F. Z equal to E by F. Clear? Z equal to E by F. E electrochemical equivalent, equivalent mass. Z is electrochemical equivalent, E equivalent mass, F is 1 Faraday, 96500 coulomb. EC equal to E by 96500 coulomb, or chemical equivalent by 96500 coulomb. And next point is, metals are better conductor of electricity as compared to strong electrolytes. Strong electrolyte, salts, acid, strong, base, these are all good strong electrolytes, because strong electrolyte dissociate completely to give ions. For strong ionization occurs. Metals are better conductor of electricity as compared to strong electrolytes, because the moment of electron is faster. As compared to moment of ions. Because as we know that movement of electron is faster as compared to ions. Strong electrolyte dissociates in water to give ions. Suppose NaCl is a strong electrolyte, that is salt. When salt dissolves in water, that dissociates to give Na plus ions and Cl minus ion. And we have written that the movement of electrons is faster as compared to ions. So metals that consist of electrons. Metals are better conductors of electricity. Metals are better conductors of electricity. metals are better conductors of metals are better conductor of electricity as compared to strong electrolyte. Metals are better conductors of electricity as compared to strong electrolytes. And another formula, Q equal to Nm. Q is a quantity of electricity passed through the electrolyte solution. Q quantity of electricity, that is Coulomb. Q equal to N into F. N is number of electrons involved in the electron reaction. F is 1 Faraday 96500 Coulomb. So these are the points. These at least 6 number points, 4 number points, and 8 number points, and 1. These four points you must remember. This point you may remember. Charge of electron already you have known it previously. So 1, 4, 6 and 8, these are the very important points you must have to remember. And next we will solve problems based on electrolysis. Next we will solve the typical problems based on electrolysis. Is that clear? Next I am writing the problems. Today we will discuss only the problems based on electrolysis. Clear? Question very first I am giving a easy question, then we will solve the next subsequent question. First question is when 1 Faraday or 96500 coulombs, when 1 Faraday or 96500 coulombs of electricity is passed, when 1 Faraday or 96500 coulombs of electricity is passed through silver nitrate. When 1 Faraday or 96500 coulombs of electricity is passed through silver nitrate, then 108 gram of silver, 108 gram of silver is deposited. 108 gram of silver is deposited. What is the EC? What is the EC of silver? What is the electrochemical equivalent of silver? is the electrochemical equivalent of silver? Look at this very this is a 2 mark question, 1 mark question or 2 mark question. You will put this question. First is when 1 farad or 96500 coulombs of electricity is passed through AgNO3, 108 gram of silver is deposited. What is the electrochemical equivalent? What is the electrochemical equivalent of silver? What is the electrochemical equivalent of silver? So EC, as we know that EC equal Z equal to how much? EC equal to 1 gram equivalent by 1 farad. EC equal to 1 gram equivalent divided by 1 farad. EC equal to 1 gram equivalent. EC equal to 1 gram equivalent by 1 farad. So 1 gram equivalent weight expressed in gram. 1 gram equivalent. What is the equivalent mass of silver? Silver equivalent mass is 108. 108 divided by 1 farad. 1 farad is how much? 96500 coulomb. 96500 coulomb. So we can, as we know that, or EC equal to Z by F. EC equal to Z by F. Z कितने? EC equal to Z by F. Z is how much? Z is electrochemical equivalent. Z is sorry, EC এটা কাজ লেখা বুঝছেন? ECE, that is Z equal to E by F. ECE, Z equal to E by F. E is equivalent mass is how much? Here 108 divided by 96500 coulomb. EC Z equal to E by F 108 by 96500 coulomb. This is the answer. It has your 0.0011 calculation karo jeti ase, you will calculate this. This is the value of E. So whenever he wants to ask EC or Z equal to always E by F. Z equal to how much? E by F. What is the electrochemical equivalent? What is the electrochemical equivalent of silver? What is the electrochemical equivalent of silver? What is the electrochemical equivalent of silver? EC equal to EC or Z equal to E by F. Z equal to E by F. E is 108 by 96500 coulomb. 0.001181. So this is the answer. This is first question. Next question number 2. We will solve. Calculate the second question. I am writing. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent of G. Question. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent of calculate the electrochemical equivalent of G. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent of G. Given that the atomic mass of G zinc equal to 65. Given that the atomic mass of given that the atomic mass of zinc is 65. Given that the atomic mass of zinc is how much? 60. Atomic mass of zinc is 65. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent of zinc. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent of zinc. Given that the atomic mass of zinc is how much? 65. Given that the atomic mass of zinc is how much? 65. Clear? We have to solve this problem. So how can you calculate the equivalent mass of what is equivalent mass of zinc? Atomic mass is given that atomic mass is this much. I am writing. So whatever we know that calculate the electrochemical equivalent equal to E by F. Z equal to E by F. So first we have to calculate the atomic mass is given. Next we have to calculate what equivalent mass. First is equivalent mass. Equivalent mass is how much? Atomic mass divided by valence. Atomic mass is how much? 65 by 2. Atomic mass of zinc is how much? 65. Valence of zinc is 2. So that will give how much? 65 by 2. Kete asbo? 32 2 2 3 32.5. Kete asla? 32.5. So equivalent mass equal to atomic mass by valence 65 by 2, that is 32.5. That is 32.5. So 32.5 is the equivalent mass. So he has asked the question. We have got the equivalent mass. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent of zinc. Calculate the electrochemical equivalent of zinc. Electrochemical equivalent of zinc is EC of zinc equal to E by F. Formula EC of zinc कितनी करेगा? EC of zinc है 32.5 divided by F. 32.5 divided by 32.5 divided by 96500. EC of zinc equal to E by F. E is 32.5 equivalent mass. F is 96500 coulomb. F is 96500 coulomb. So that will give how much? 32.5 by 96500 coulomb. So the kete asbo? 32.5 times 6.00. It is 3.000 kete asche 336. 0.000336 এটা आंसर এতিকে আছে চলা সো এটা যদি তুমি ম্যানুয়াল করে করি you can solve it manually up to this line this line or এটা কোন লিখতে পারিব 96500 coulombs 96500 coulombs of electricity 96500 coulombs of electricity deposits zinc 32.5 96500 coulombs of electricity deposit zinc kete 32.5 1 coulomb of electricity deposits zinc kete 32.5 by 96500 coulomb সেটা আসলে কত 0.0003336 দেখো you can write directly this, otherwise manually you can solve 96500 coulombs of electricity deposit using 32.5, 1 coulomb of electricity deposit using 32.5 by 96500 hello, that is this much. এটা আমি এই বলে লিখে পারিব কিবা এই বলে আমি লিখি ক্লিয়ার so this is question number 2 next question number 3 next question number 3 Question number 3. Find the mass of copper deposited Find the mass of copper deposited from copper sulfate. Find the mass of copper deposited from copper sulfate. Find the mass of copper deposited from copper sulfate solution by a current of 0.25 ampere flowing for 1 hour. 0.25 ampere flowing for 1 hour. Atomic mass of copper atomic mass of copper 63. Atomic mass of copper कितना 63. Given that atomic mass of copper is other question का find the mass of copper deposited from the copper sulfate solution by a current of 0.25 ampere flowing for 1 hour. Given that atomic mass of copper is 63. Very important questions. This is a very important question. He is putting that question also in council exam. First, find the mass of copper deposited from copper sulfate solution by a current of 0.25 ampere flowing for 1 hour. So equivalent mass of atomic mass of copper 63. How can we calculate equivalent mass? Equivalent mass equal to atomic mass divided by valency. Atomic mass divided by valency 63 divided by valency. Valency is 2. Atomic copper sulfate valency is 2. So 63 by 2 कितना है? 31.5. 31.5. So equal mass equal to atomic mass by valency 63 by 2 31.5. 31.5 is the equivalent mass. 31.5 is the equivalent mass. 31.5 is the equivalent mass. So equivalent mass equal to atomic mass by valency 63 by 2 31.5 is the equivalent mass. Whatever. So we have to calculate what? Find the mass of copper deposited. Find the mass of copper deposited. We have to calculate how much mass of copper will be deposited from copper sulfate solution. This is the equivalent mass. This is the equivalent mass. So time कितना दीजिए? I ये लगा था. It is first I current is 0.25. Current is 0.25 ampere. Current is 0.25 ampere. T is 1 hour. T is 1 hour. 1 hour लगा दे. 60 minutes. 60 into 60 30 seconds. 36 seconds. So we know that Q equal to IT. Another formula, as we know that Q equal to I into T. So I is 0.25 into time 36. कितना ऐसे होगा? कौन? कितना ऐसे? 25 900 এটা ছিল কেতি 900 coulomb 900 coulomb clear. So Q equal to how much? Q equal to 900 coulomb. Clear. So now we will calculate find the mass of copper deposited. 96500 coulomb will deposit कितने का 1 gram equal to 1 gram equal है कितने 31.5 1 coulomb कितने 900 coulomb कितने. Next I am writing this first एक प्रॉब्लम लिखले फर्स्ट इक्वल मास काढ इक्वल मास जो देछि काढिबा दरकार नाही. इफ इक्वल मास इज गिवन इट इज नॉट नीडेड टू कैलकुलेट. जदी इक्वल मास न देछि इक्वल मास काढि दलो तापरे Q इक्वल टू IT. Q इक्वल टू जदी सेटा कूलम रे अछि ताला दरकार नाही. जदी if this is Q is given quantity of electricity is given in coulomb it is not needed to calculate. जदी सेटा एम्पियर किबा टाइम रा 1 आवर मिनिट देछि ताको कोन करिवो सेकंड रे कन्वर्ट करिवो. ता कोन करिवो सेकंड ampere. I current in ampere, time in second. Current in ampere, time in second. Q equal to IT. Q equal to IT. Clear. Current in ampere, current in ampere, time T in second. Time T in second. जानिए. So next, what we have to calculate? 96500 coulombs of electricity will deposit 96500 coulomb deposit 96500 coulomb will deposit 96500 coulomb will deposit कितने 31.5 96500 coulomb will deposit 31.5. 1 coulomb will deposit 31.5 coulomb. 900 coulomb will deposit 31.5 by 96500 coulomb into 900. This is the answer. কেতে আসবে এটা আসছে পয়েন্ট, এটা আসছে 0.2937 গ্রাম। এটা চেক করে দেবো calculation, you will check this. I will write in the approximate value. So this is the manual method. First এবারে কোশ্চেনে ইকুয়াল মাস কাটি দেব, যদি ইকুয়াল মাস, if the equal mass is given it is not needed to calculate, যদি ইকুয়াল মাস বলেছি ইকুয়াল মাস কাটি দেব, তারপরে কোন করিব কুলম কারেন্টটা কোথায় দিয়েছি দেখো, কোয়ান্টাম ইলেকট্রিসিটি বা এটি এম্পিয়ার দিয়েছি, টাইম দিয়েছি 1 আওয়ার। কারণ q = it পকে তাহলে কারেন্ট বিকজ কুলম 965 we have to require Faraday 1 Faraday or 1 coulomb. How? যদি এটা 1 Faraday দিব, 1 Faraday or 96500, we know that this line is very important. We know that 1 Faraday or 96500 coulomb will deposit 1 gram equivalent. 1 gram equivalent is 31.5. That 1 coulomb will deposit 31.5 by 96500 coulomb. 900 coulomb will deposit 31.5 divided by 96500 coulomb into 900. Hello, this is all about this. Next question number 4. This is very important question. Most of the time we put that particular question or this pattern of question. This pattern is the most important questions and most important pattern. We have to solve this. Clear? Next question, আমরা হচ্ছে ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন দেখা। আর কোশ্চেন দেখা করছি আর 0 পয়েন্ট। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন নম্বর 4 হবে 0.0 কেতে আসছে 0.20 gram of copper was deposited. 0.2015 gram of copper was deposited by a current of 0.2015 gram of copper was deposited by a current of 0.25 ampere. 0.052 ampere in 45 minutes. In 45 minutes. What is the electrochemical equivalent of copper? What is the electrochemical equivalent of copper? What is the electrochemical equivalent of copper? is the electrochemical equivalent of copper? 0.2015 gram of copper was deposited by current of 0.25 ampere in 45 minutes. What is the electrochemical equivalent of copper? What is the electrochemical equivalent of copper? देखो we current can दीची W can दीची W is given 0.2015. W is given 0.2015. Current I is 0.25 ampere. I is 0.25 ampere. T 45 minutes दीची 45 into 60 45 into 60 সেটা কত আছে 45 0 56 second. Aye, current in ampere, time in second. So Q equal to how much? Q equal to how much? Q equal to I. Q equal to I into T. I get it. 0.25 into time. कितने 0.25 into 2700 এটা কত আসিব पॉइंट মানে 650 क्यों पाई गए W equal to Z W equal to कितने W equal to Z Q मानिए कोड़ा what is the electrochemical equivalent of Cu that is Z equal to W by Q W कितने W is 0.2015 divided by Q is 675. So this is the manual. This method you have to always adopt. So W is given 0.2015 gram. I current is given 0.25 ampere. Current is given 0.25 ampere. T equal to 45 into 60. 45 into 60. 2700 second. Q equal to I into T. Q equal to I into T. I क्या है 0.25 into 675 coulomb. So W equal to ZQ or ZIT. W equal to ZQ or W equal to ZIT or Z equal to W by Q. W by Q. और W लगे 0.2015 Q वाला 675 এটা ক্যালকুলেশন করব যা আসিও ক্যালকুলেশন করি দেখিব কেতে আসিও 0.0 টা আসি 0.000296 20965 ହେଲା এটা না সঠিক যেটা হলো so this is question number 4 next question number 5 और question number 5 करो से এটা very important question question number 5 these are the very important question for council exams so try to solve I am solving this question and next I will give you next class some questions that you will solve that I will solve next class I am writing 2-3 problems that questions you have to solve question number 5 question number 5 when a question का देखो when a current of when a current of 0.15 ampere strength when a current of 0.15 ampere strength is passed when a current of 0.15 ampere strength is passed through a salt when a current of 0.15 ampere strength is passed through a salt of a metal for कितने minutes 150 minutes I equal to 0.15 ampere, T equal to 150 minutes. So minute I is current is given 0.15 ampere, time is given 150 minutes. So already we know that current, we have to measure the current in second because Q equal 1 coulomb equal to 1 ampere into 1 second. 1 coulomb equal to 1 ampere into 1 second. Clear? So 1 coulomb equal to 1 ampere into 1 second. I is 0.15 ampere. I equal to 0.15 ampere. T equal to 150 minute. 150 into second. 150 into 60. 9,000 second. So this is in second. This is in ampere. So Q equal to IT. Q equal to 0.15 into 9,000. 0.15 15 by 100. 15 by 100 into this was 1350 coulomb. So Q equal to 1350 coulomb. W equal to 0.783 gram. So 1350 coulomb of electricity will deposit metal 0.783 gram. 1 coulomb will deposit metal 0.783 by 1350. The 965 in a reversal order. আমি জানি যে 96500 coulomb will deposit 1 gram equivalent. 1 coulomb will deposit how much equivalent? 1 gram equivalent divided by 965 coulomb. So similarly, here we will calculate 1350 coulomb of electricity will deposit metal 0.783 gram. 1 coulomb of electricity will deposit metal 0.783 by 1350. 96500 coulomb of electricity will deposit metal 0.783 by 1350 into 96500 coulomb. This should be 56 gram. So this is 56 gram. We know that equivalent mass equal to atomic mass by equivalent mass equal to atomic mass by valency. So valency equal to atomic mass by equivalent mass. Here this is given what? Equivalent mass. 56 equivalent mass. Then atomic mass is given how much? 112. So 112 divided by 56, that will give 2. That will give 2. Clear? So 2 is the valency of the metal. So if 2 is the valency of the metal, so what is the type of metal? That may be zinc or that may be copper sulfate, copper sulfate. So these are the metals type. It is not needed to write this thing. You will not write in the answer sheet. It is for your understanding. 1 coulomb equal to 1 ampere into 1 second. 1 coulomb equal to 1 ampere into 1 second. Clear? 1 coulomb into 1 second. 1 coulomb into 1 second. So these are the all important questions I have solved in the classes, and I will give 3-4 questions to you. Some questions to you, and you have to solve this in your kharta, because these are the important questions which he is asking in the council exam. And typically, what are the patterns of questions? I have solved another one pattern. Next class I will solve another one pattern, and next 2 questions based on first law 1 question, and based on second law of Faraday's second law of Faraday's second law of Faraday's another question. Two questions. Next electrolysis part will be covered. After that, next class onwards, we will start the cell part. Electrochemistry is divided generally three types. One is conductance. Already we have completed conductance. Next, this is the electrolysis part. This is the electrolysis part. Already we have discussed what is electrolysis and Faraday first law, second law. Next, this is the problematic part. I am solving problematic part. This problematic part also finished. I will give you some questions. One, two questions I will solve next class, and we will start the cell part in the next class. Last part of electrochemistry, that is cell part. Next part. Thank you.